Hi, I'm Sophie Lewis and I'm here at Fines3 to share with you my 3 book recommendations. The first of which is They Say It Is Love by Alva Gotti, translated into Spanish by Ira Teran. This is an incredible intervention into social reproduction theory and family abolition politics from a British activist and feminist, which talks about the politics of emotional life from a really fantastic anti-work perspective. I really recommend it. The second book I'm here to recommend is Family Abolition by M.E. O'Brien, translated into the Spanish by Lola Figueres Fornell. And this book is very dear to my heart. I know the author very intimately, and our projects are in solidarity with one another and have evolved together in many ways. This is a really deep and scholarly history of the evolution of the family form in capitalist history, as well as a beautiful and moving call for the abolition of the private household. For obvious reasons, I think you should deepen your understanding of family abolition, which is also my platform to some extent, by reading this methodical history of the family. And then thirdly, I'd like to recommend Mutantes Divas by llibres, which is not in translation because the transfeminist Marxist theorist in question is here in Spain, in Zaragoza, and I spent time with her yesterday learning about her incredible intervention into queer theory and transfeminism, which I'm hoping will appear in English very soon. And finally, I want to tell you about the Spanish and Catalan translations of my book, my short manifesto, Abolish the Family, which is from Verso and Salvage editions in English, but has now been translated into the Spanish by Traficantes de Sueños. The translator, Elena Fernández Renau Rosas, has done an incredible job. And then in the Catalan, Bruno Montfort has done an incredible job as well, translating Abolir la família, which I'm about to present right now here at Fines3.